Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by heating 2 tablespoons neutral oil until it shimmers. This protects the pigment and extracts color. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder or sweet paprika off-heat first, then return to low flame. This prevents bitterness while releasing intense red. Once the aroma wakes, stir in 1/2 cup tomato paste. The paste provides a stable, long-lasting red base and acidity that brightens the pigment. Keep heat low and move quickly to the next step, because overcooking dulls the red. Once done adding tomato paste, lower the heat and simmer gently for 6 to 8 minutes. This cooks the paste without burning pigments, maintaining red vibrancy. You must balance acidity with 1 tsp sugar and 1/2 tsp salt. That contrast makes the red read brighter to your eye. If the mixture is too thick, add 1/2 cup water in small increments to loosen the sauce and preserve its glossy sheen. Make sure to stir frequently so solids don't stick and darken. You finish by mounting the curry with 1 tablespoon butter or ghee off-heat. This emulsifies fat with pigment and deepens the red, giving shine and richness. If the red still looks dull, carefully fold in a pinch of beet powder for natural color boost. Start with very small amounts. If bitterness appears from over-toasting, neutralize with 1 tsp lemon juice and a pinch of sugar, then taste. One troubleshooting tip: if the color chars, discard and restart the color base. Char cannot be rescued.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.